What up, lit fam? I look like actual trash. Is this better? Yeah. Hi, Kenneth.
I'm sitting on a boat.
Oh, look, there's Sarah and Michelle. Yeah. I'm Jake Paul. What is she talking about? Like, I'm too famous for you guys? Okay, Kenneth, what are you doing? Okay, so it's whatever. I don't even know what time it is. Oh, a pimple. Ignore my face. It's ugly. We're gonna head to Knott's.
On a bus.
We're on a bus.
Michelle.
Yes, sir. Nothing ever interesting happens in my life.
There's 3 seatbelts. However, it's only fit for 2-seaters.
Hi, friends. We're back.
And Grady's doing her eyelashes.
I'm gonna use you as a mirror. I don't even know. I'm ugly as usual. Let's do eyes. We're not looking at you, Kenny. It's all about me. Oh, look, there's Sarah and Michelle. Because that affects so much. I'm gonna poke my eye out. So I'm done being beautiful. We're almost on our way to Knott's. It's like 30 minutes there. This is like now annoyed with me. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'll stop. Bye. Eat your shrimp crackers, Kenny. We're at Knott. I'm being a famous vlogger. Oh, look, there's Nick. Hi,
Ready?
Nick. Look, there are chickens. What are you doing? What up, lit fam? Okay, so we're currently in here. Why does everyone not want to be famous? People are starting to look at me like I'm mentally insane. Probably am. Oh, look, there's Patrick. Oh, and there's Jonathan. Say hi. Stop! Line, we're about to get in. I am a good vlogger.
Grady is scaring the children away. Hey, look away.
Stop, you're a bully. Look, I need to get into OSHA.
Here, I think I have all the luck I need.
Hey, Sarah's beautiful. I'm rocking Hamilton merch, like Skylar's sisters.
That's not even merch, that's the back.
It's merch.
That's not merch.
It's merch.
You want to see real merch? Only a true fan would know.
Hamilton
Takes out
sweaters
dead
are
body
expensive.
of Hamilton. Takes out Philip Schuyler. He takes out the bullet that killed Philip Schuyler.
That's a little weird. Oh, look, there's Ben and Nick. Hi, friends.
Do you call everyone friends?
Yes. It's because they have no friends. No, cutting's bad.
Then stop cutting me.
Cutting's bad.
I was here.
Stop. Let them go. They're children. Ew, my hair is dusting. We're gonna go on the silver bullet. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna leave Jonathan behind. Ooh, I look beautiful. Wait, yeah, look, there's Sally, Desi, Michelle. Oh, look, the guys are in the back. Screw them. We're going on silver bullet. Some people are staring. Shade. Michelle, I thought we were friends. I hate life. Okay, we're gonna go get in the line. And we ditched Jonathan. Sorry, Jonathan. Okay, here's a big oof. The line isn't long and I'm scared. Don't be mean, Desi. I just said I'm scared. Oh, my anxiety's coming. That's gonna fall off. Oh my god, I feel like half of this like vlog thing is gonna be me panicking. Sally, we're beautiful. Yeah, teacher. What? Are you still ugly? Come on, guys.
Is this the vlog channel?
Yes.
Oh my god. Stop.
Love me. You think God, we're here.
What if we die?
We're gonna die. Anxiety. Okay, so we're currently heading to the log ride. I just want this. We all got kazoos. Stop. My hair is messed up after silver bullet. We tried to go on the Jaguar, but the line was taking too long. Wait up! Guys, you guys are mean.
Wait, Patrick, do the me song. What?
Oh!
Patrick. What?
Okay, so we are heading. Wait for me! Sit comfortably. Sit. Justin, Patrick, say hi. Say hi. Oh, we're going together.
I think I went. Okay. We're good.
I'm gonna get so wet. Oof. Say hi to the camera. Oof. The ground is so wet. Ooh. Sorry. Smells good. We're all gonna die at the end of this. We're gonna fall off there.
Oh, you want to?
Oh! Ooh.
Oh, great. This is my favorite part. This is so fun.
Hi, it's Granny. My hair is even more messed up. So we're just waiting for Desi and everyone to go on Scream, and we played some games, and I won this. Okay, and Sarah won this. Yes. So here's how to win at life. Just pay people to win for you. Yes. Ew, I look disgusting. Me. So I don't know if they're on the ride yet. What was that? On the ride yet? Ooh, Michelle, Sarah, looking pretty. Why are you guys covering yourself up? Looking beautiful. I'm looking beautiful as hell with my messed up hair. Oh, do you want to do a story time? Why? Cause like, why not? Of what? I don't know. I want stuff.
I sprained my ankle by falling off the stairs at school.
That's kind of depressing. Do a funny face. Sarah, what did you win? Nice. Oh, we finally found Patrick and Kenny. And
Come on, let's go get lunch.
Justin.
We're fat.
We're gonna go get lunch.
Hey kids, I'm a stranger. Want candy?
Yes, please.
Share amongst yourself and give me the leftovers.
Thank you. What kind of candy is this?
I think I want food.
Where'd you get this from?
A drug dealer?
Some candy shop.
Got some candy. Sorry.
Please.
Lit fame.
That was cringy.
So we're at a diner and we're eating our lunch right now.
So expensive.
I know, it was like $14 for this.
That's why you get a small meal that's $9.
And it has no.
But it has no good
It
food.
has no fries, but still.
It's not even good. Don't go to not to be want food.
Put a Panda Express instead.
I told you, Panda Express wouldn't even wait.
No, like Panda's,
We get Panda Express anytime.
Yeah.
My parents don't like getting it, so that's why I come here.
That's your problem. Well, Kenneth is off. What happened to Justin?
Bathroom probably.
Oh, okay. Well, next we are gonna go to the Iron Reef thingy, and I want to do like a VR thingy. Okay, I'm just gonna go eat my food now. Bye. Hi, it's ready. Okay, so I'm just bougie, and I got
my password.
that looks like you're trying to speak alcohol.
Alcohol.
So, I got a fork, and I'm gonna eat.
Are you gonna eat the hamburger? Oh, you cringe. You wouldn't.
Yes,
You
I am.
wouldn't.
I would do that.
Mukbang.
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 Bang each other.
Stop. Oof.
Eat your onions.
More like throw away my onions. Cute.
I'm gonna end this because it's gonna waste my storage.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, friend. Kenneth, stop! So we are at the Iron Reefing. There's Sally, Danny, Sarah. I know I am hot. I said the weather. Take off your jacket. Take it off, Daddy. Take it off. It's Jimmy. Take it off. Oh, she took it off. Oh, that's so saucy. And we are going to do that. And actually we're probably gonna do, wait, what are we doing next? I wanna do the Jaguar. I wanna go Jaguar. Who's going Jaguar? We're going on Jaguar next. Like an hour. The time takes like an hour and 10 minutes. No, like, let's hope the line's shorter. And then we will go on Ghost Rider. Oh, should I trade this for the pink penguin? We have, cause I'm the next Jake Paul.
Last time I checked, that was me. No, please don't. No.
I'm famous. Oh, let's go in bumper cars. Hands up. Ooh, mine's gonna sit right here. Yeah, I'm not gonna. What up, lit fam? I took my hair down. So we are so tired. Oh my god. We have like 30 minutes left for everything, and we're doing the swing, like not a swing ride, it's like a, I don't know, that kind of ride. So I got my goods, I got a bag for everything. I'm tired. I took off my shoes and like, whole setup there. We're all waiting. So we lost Patrick after we went to get boysenberry ice cream. Jonathan is hanging out with a pal. Sally checking herself out. Oh, Sarah checking herself out in the camera. I'm going shopping today, so I need to buy her a promotion dress. Ooh, these are like squishies. Is that ASMR enough for you? I gotta end this because I don't want to waste storage. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, and I broke my nail. Can't see it, but it's like right there. Yeah, you can't see it, but I broke my nail. Okay, bye.